Cam Wizard. Today I wanted to take a look at one of the cool new features of the version 36 software, a new release for BobCAD CAM, and it deals with multiple setups. Like in this example here, you can see I have a number of different features that I've gone through and used to program this part, right? And it's very common. You may have similar features in a different orientation or a different setup. And in the past, what you would end up doing is creating a new setup and then, maybe copying these one at a time from one setup to the next one in order to keep your tool information and your speeds and feeds and depth of cut and all the little idiosyncrasies and settings you use to establish this second setup. So something they did in previous versions is you could save this entire cam tree and load it in as a template, and that's very helpful, but you really don't want to have multiple jobs for multiple setups. You just want to copy the setup here. So it's really easy to do now. All you got to do is right click on your setup, come down to copy, and then you can right click and paste, and you'll notice all the machining features came over with this setup. So again, a really nice feature. If you're not using this in version 36, I recommend you take a look. A lot of times from version to version, there's slight differences that you got to pay attention to, and in my opinion, this one's a good one.